Hi, it's Susan with a few tips to get you started on your digital binder. Your child profile must be set up before you can add associated documents. Currently, your documents will need to be scanned to your computer or device prior to being uploaded into your digital binder. We are working on some exciting things to make this easier in the near future. Okay, first in the drop-down menu, select your child. Next, select the category you would like this document to be filed under. Fill in the date of the document using a 2-digit month /2-digit day /4-digit year. Or you can use the calendar to select the date of the document if you prefer. Next, give your document a title. This should describe the document so you can easily find it in the future. Examples are, meeting notice might be labeled IEP Meeting Notice 2018. If an evaluation, maybe SLP Eval Dr. Jones. Now you are ready to upload the document. Click on the Browse button, select the document you are looking for, open the document. You will see your file name next to the word Browse on the screen. Now you can add any relevant notes prior to uploading the document. No worries if you aren't prepared to do that. You can always edit the notes later. Finally, click on the blue Upload Document button, and you will be taken to the Keeping Track screen to view the list of documents in your binder. This binder will allow you organized, efficient access to your child's educational records. It's important to stay current, so add papers as you receive them. It will save you a lot of time in the future.